All right, get ready to go ride motorcycles, and just got to figure out which motorcycle I'm going to take. So I've got the DR650, all customed out. Got the Honda Gullwing, badass bike, beautiful bike. DR250, customed out. YZ125, that's getting some action later today in my yard. Honda CTX. But the one I think I'm going to ride today is the 1993 Honda Nighthawk CB4750. It's badass. It's fast, it's fun. Gonna go rip. Hope you guys have a great day. Have a great Sunday. God bless you and your family. God bless America.